there was gold within the data. And there is. And I think part of that, or a good portion of it, for me, is within this application data. Because we look at this, I came from IR, so I'm used to looking at data, and we see this as large numbers of students. Here's a visual that shows this population, but behind every one of those students is a dream, is a family, is a community that we could impact. That's the goal. There's students here that, for whatever reason, they've been left out of higher ed. They didn't apply, or they applied but didn't enroll. There's others who just need to finish up maybe a few more classes to cross that finish line. There's others who can boost themselves through completion of a bachelor's degree. That's the real goal, because there's a human being behind every one of these numbers. And there's a story and a life that we can change.